Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are safe in your home. From class UKG, my task book English 2, today we will join the pictures with their names. So are you ready students? Let's spell, read and join the pictures with their names. R O D rod. R O D rod. Where is rod? Here. Join the name with their picture. Rod. Now see the picture and tell me what is it? Who's tell me what is it? It is a bib. Find its name. B-I-B, bib. Join the picture with their name like this. Now see the picture and tell me what is it? It is a jug. Find its name. J-U-G, jug. Join the picture with their name. Very good. Okay, see the picture and tell me what is he? He is a boy. Find its name. B-O-Y, boy. Join the picture with their name. Yes. Now see the picture and tell me what is it? Who's tell me what is it? It is a cub. Find its name. C-U-B, cub. Join the picture with their name. Now see the picture and tell me what is it? It is a kid. Find its name. K-I-D, kid. Join the picture with their name. Very good. Now match the rhyming words. B-I-G, big. Big, fig. Big, fig. Big, fig. Now J-O-B, job. Sob. S-O-B, sob. Job, sob. Job, sob. S-G-U-N, gun. S-U-N, sun. Sun, gun. Gun, sun. Now H-U-T, hut. N-U-T, nut. Hut, nut. Nut, hut. T-I-N, tin. B-I-N, bin. Tin, bin. Bin, tin. Now B-O-Y, boy. T-O-Y, toy, boy, toy, toy, boy. Students, that's it for today. Your today's homework is do it in your My Task Book English 2. Okay, students?